अर्जुन एकेडमी बेस्ट इन बॉटनी चैनल में आपका शानदार जोरदार ज़बरदस्त स्वागत है। सो लिसन, अंडरस्टैंड एंड मेमोराइज। चैप्टर नेम सेल द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। ऑडियो 4। जेनेटिक मटेरियल। इन प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल, genetic material is circular double-strand DNA, which is also called nucleoid or nucleoid DNA. DNA is naked, not associated with histone proteins. Instead, certain non-histone basic proteins are associated with DNA called polyamines. In gram-positive bacteria, DNA is attached with mesosome, whereas in gram-negative bacteria, DNA is directly suspended in the cytoplasm. Nucleoid DNA is also called as prochromosome or genophore. Prokaryotic DNA is rich in G triple bond C base pairs. Prokaryotic DNA is made up of, or prokaryotic DNA contains exons only, that is, complete DNA is active or expressive. All the genes of prokaryotic DNA are coding, that is, expressive type. Introns, that is, non-coding DNA or non-coding genes or non-expressive genes are absent in prokaryotic DNA. Archaebacteria have both exons and introns in their DNA. Mycoplasma DNA is linear type instead of circular. Nucleoid DNA maintains or controls all the normal features of prokaryotic cell. Plasmid. It is extra genetic or extra chromosomal or extra DNA material. Plasmid represents circular double-stranded self-replicative extra genetic material. It can be one or more in number. Plasmid provides additional features or additional phenotypes to the bacteria. Types of plasmid. Number 1, sex plasmid, also called fertility plasmid, also called F plasmid. It provides sexuality to the bacteria. F plasmid helps in formation of pili. Bacteria having F plasmid called as F positive bacteria, also called donor bacteria, also called male bacteria. Bacteria not having F plasmid called as F negative bacteria, also called as recipient bacteria, also called as female bacteria. F plasmid is involved in conjugation. Number 2, resistant plasmid, also called R plasmid. It provides resistance against antibiotics. R plasmid helps in formation of capsule layer. Number 3, cholinogenic plasmid, also called Cole plasmid. It helps in tolerating attack of other bacteria growing in same culture media. Number 4, tumor inducing plasmid, also called TI plasmid. It causes tumor formation, that is, formation of extra cells in certain plants. Plasmid helps in transfer of foreign DNA into other organisms or host organism. Thus, plasmid is used as vector in genetic engineering. Plasmid, which can get associated temporarily with nucleoid DNA called as episome. Ribosome. It is a membraneless cell organelle It is only cell organelle that is found in prokaryotic cell. Chemically, ribosome is made up of ribosomal RNA and protein. Thus, ribosome is also called as ribonucleoprotein structure. Structurally, it is made up of two subunits, small a large subunit, small b small subunit. High magnesium ion concentration is required for joining of both subunits to form a ribosome. Prokaryotic ribosome is called as 70S ribosome, made up of large subunit called as 50S and small subunit called as 30S. Size of 70S ribosome is 20 nanometer into 15 nanometer. In 70S ribosome, S represent Swedberg unit or sedimentation coefficient. Location: 70S ribosome either found freely present in the cytoplasm or attached with cell membrane. Functions: it is called as protein factory. Free ribosome synthesizes proteins which are used within cell. Attached ribosomes synthesize proteins which are transported or secreted outside the cell. Polyribosome, also called polysome, also called ergosome. When more than one ribosomes are simultaneously attached with single messenger RNA strand and synthesizing same protein, then it is called as polyribosome. Inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies represent non-living, dead, organic and inorganic reserve food or stored food materials directly suspended in the cytoplasm and is not covered by any membrane. If membrane covering present, then it will be false membrane. Reserve foods are stored in the form of granules in prokaryotic cell. Membraneless inclusion bodies directly present in the cytoplasm, for example Synophycean starch, also called alpha granules, lipid or fat globules, also called beta granules, protein granules, volutin granules, also called phosphate reserve. False membrane bound inclusion bodies surrounded by single layer non-unit protein membrane, for example sulfur granule, polyhydroxybutyrate granule that represents stored fat, carboxysome. Gas vacuole, also called pseudovacuole, also called false vacuole. Gas filled vesicle made up of false non-protein membrane called gas vacuole. It provides buoyancy, helps in floating to the bacteria and maintain bacteria at proper depth in water body for receiving sunlight. Found in blue-green algae, purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. Flagella. It is long filamentous unistrand structure made up of flagellin protein. Flagella help in locomotion, provide motility to the bacteria. Pili, singular, pilus. It is long, hollow, broad, tubular structure. Pili is made up of pilin protein. Pili help in attachment of one bacterium with other bacterium during conjugation. Fimbriae. It is a small, short, narrow, solid, bristle-like structure. Fimbriae is also made up of pillin protein. Fimbriae helps in attachment of bacterium with solid substratum like rocks, etc., host cell or host tissue. Structure of flagella. Structurally, flagella is made up of three parts. Number one, basal body. It is rod-like structure present inside the cell. Number two, hook. It is bent thickest part present outside the cell. Number three, filament. It is longest part of flagella present outside the cell. Basal body consists of two parts. Small a, rod. It is central part of basal body. Small b, rings. These are swellings present around rod. There are four rings present around rod: M ring, S ring, P ring and L ring. M and S rings present in cell membrane and called as proximal rings, whereas P and L rings present in cell wall and called as distal rings. Formation of flagella and fimbriae controlled by nucleoid DNA, and formation of pili is controlled by plasmid DNA, that is F plasmid. Gram staining technique discovered or developed by H.C. Gram. Technique: take a slide, place bacterial culture, stain with crystal violet, an alkaline solution also called Gram stain. All bacteria become bluish purple. Next, add 0.5% iodine solution. Iodine forms crystal violet iodine complex, acts as mordant or fixture. Iodine helps in tight binding of Gram stain with bacteria cell. Now the slide is washed with dilute alcohol or acetone, that is 90%. Those bacteria which retained Gram stain color after washing, called as Gram positive bacteria. Those bacteria which lose Gram stain color become colorless, called as Gram negative bacteria. Gram negative bacteria treated with counter stain, that is safranin. Gram negative bacteria appear pink in color. Differences between Gram positive and Gram negative bacteria. Gram positive bacteria appear bluish purple in color. Gram negative bacteria appear colorless and after counter stain by safranin appear pink in color. Gram positive bacteria have single layer cell wall, only peptidoglycan present in cell wall. Gram negative bacteria have two layers of cell wall, outer layer made up of lipopolysaccharide and inner layer made up of peptidoglycan. Gram positive bacteria have thick cell wall, that is 20 to 80 nanometer. Gram negative bacteria have thin cell wall, that is 8 to 12 nanometer. Gram positive bacteria have more peptidoglycan, that is 70 to 80%. Gram negative bacteria have less peptidoglycan, that is 10 to 20%. Gram positive bacteria have less lipid content. Gram-negative bacteria have more lipid content. Gram-positive bacteria have smooth, continuous, attached cell wall. Gram-negative bacteria have wavy cell wall attached at certain places with cell membrane. In gram-positive bacteria, teichoic acid present, which is made up of phosphate, glycerol and carbohydrate. It provides rigidity to the cell wall, acts as surface receptor. In gram-negative bacteria, teichoic acid is absent. When gram-positive bacteria treated with lysozyme, only protoplast is left. When gram-negative bacteria treated with lysozyme, spheroplast is left. Few gram-positive bacteria are pathogenic. More gram-negative bacteria are pathogenic. In gram-positive bacteria, generally capsule layer is absent. In gram-negative bacteria, mostly capsule layer is present. Examples of gram-positive bacteria: Clostridium, Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Bacillus, Streptococcus, Staphylococcus. Examples of gram-negative bacteria: Escherichia coli, Vibrio, Acetobacter, Azotobacter, Agrobacterium, Rhizobium. Take care. Thank you so much.